a great choice today with the 2019 Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, remote trunk release, steel wheels, tires front all season. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.